How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can switch your Instagram account from a professional account back to a personal one. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Let's begin. To switch your account back to personal, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, open the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. If you're currently using a professional account, you'll see a section labeled For Professionals, followed by Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on that. Now scroll all the way down and select Switch Account Type. You'll be given two options here. Just tap on Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will now prompt you to confirm. Once you hit Switch to Personal Account, your profile will be reverted from a business or creator account back to a personal one. And that's it. You've successfully switched back to a personal Instagram account. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Want more Instagram tips and tutorials? Check out the links in the description. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Gauging Gadgets for more tech tutorials and gadget reviews. Thanks a lot for watching.